Additive manufacture is basically 3D printing, and here at the Advanced Engineering Show it's about 3D printing in metal. So this is some chainmail just for demonstration purposes, but it's manufactured in titanium using lasers and powder. So you can make basically any shape or form you want. So it opens up whole new spheres of design and capability through a new process where you're adding material rather than taking it away.
Is 3D printing the future?
It's a tool. I think the media would have you believe that we'll be printing cars from a catalogue one day. That's a long way off. But what's happening real time here today in shows like this is that companies are beginning to ply their wares with really credible equipment to start to make some real proper components. This is a fine example, a heat exchanger, like a little radiator, entirely optimized using the 3D process, and that would be virtually impossible to make by any other means. And what it means is it leads to very lightweight, very efficient structures that deliver just the performance required without any additionality, like additional weight, for instance. One of our centres is the National Centre for Additive Manufacture, so we've got a whole suite of full-size 3D printing machines where we're helping companies understand how to get the best out of their process and their technology, and we're developing all of the upstream process, how to handle the powders and the lasers, so that UK industry can start making this stuff with a full knowledge base behind it, so they can be much more effective from the start.
And how do shows like this help you get that message across?
Well, it's a good showcase for us. We're advanced manufacturing, this is advanced engineering, one leads to the other. The audience we've got here really kind of understands this space. For us, it's about bringing the big name players together that support us, but also access to the smaller enterprises who perhaps don't understand enough about the high-value manufacturing Catapult offer, where we can help small companies access kit and equipment that sort of make stuff like this so they can understand how competitive they can be. And typically the sort of equipment that would make this might be beyond their reach as a speculative purchase, but if they come to see us and we help them work on these machines, which are principally funded by government money, then they can understand it, they can craft their process and go and order a machine with complete confidence and go off and make bits. So we help take the risk out of that, and it's about getting to small and medium enterprises that really want to do that. They can engage with us here at a show like this.
And are they doing that?
Oh, they are, yeah. Been really surprised. Some really good, promising smaller companies have come up to see us, and we've been able to signpost them in the right direction to get to the relevant centres. Because Catapult's not just about added manufacture, we've got everything from bio and chemical process scale-up, automation, and all of the stuff surrounding composites like carbon fibre, where we can put entire aircraft wings together at our centre down in Bristol. What you see here today is a lot of new technologies. So you're looking at a big toolbox. You're looking at one tool in a big toolbox. That toolbox is getting more and more sophisticated. A big part of this show is the composites, and even since last year, the footprint of that has grown remarkably. It's a big part of the show today to show that new manufacturing technologies are now being progressively embraced by industry. And it's those new technologies that will give the UK competitive advantage. We can't win on low labour cost, we can't win on low energy cost, but we can win on innovation.